Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're back with the Peru vlogs part 2. Today is Friday. We have like 5 days left, maybe like almost a week left. It's 9 in the morning. Nancy's are gonna make some jugos downstairs in the kitchen. I thought I would take you along this weekend. It's gonna be pretty busy. I'm gonna try and capture as much as I can. So I still have my morning vibes. I think we're just gonna do papaya and banana for our jugos for this morning. We eat our breakfast a lot at my grandma's. The kitchen here is electric and it's very specific about what like stoves and stuff like you can use. We haven't bought them. We also need to clean out the pool today. The water's going down, so we need to fill it up and we need to clean it. Probably tomorrow we'll clean it. We still have the chairs and stuff from New Year's here because we're also having a goodbye thing on Sunday. Today's Friday. I don't know if I said that. My chest is wheezing. I think it's because I was holding a puppy yesterday. My cousin adopted a puppy and I just, I saw a puppy and I just cuddled it. I can be pretty allergic to dogs in general and cats. So I think that's why, because I've been like wheezing and I usually only wheeze when I'm allergic to something like grass or something. Something that I used to always do when I was little, or my dad would make for me when I was little, is jugos. A couple days ago, earlier this week or something, we went to the mercado, which is where they sell like fruits and everything. On Tuesday, and we had jugos, and I picked out the jugo de lucuma, which if you don't know, lucuma is like a Peruvian fruit. I think it's Peruvian or South American. Jugo de lucuma is like my favorite. I also have like, strawberries, a bunch of stuff, but I got some bananas. This is the papaya. Look at this freshness. While I'm here, let me tell you, there's just been so much going on. Ever since we got here, we've just been go. Just so busy, so it's been so hard for me to vlog. And also, I'm just like seeing my family and stuff and introducing Caesar to everybody. So I've just really been like in the moment more and trying to embrace everything, because whenever I'm here, which is not often, it's just super special. But I've missed you guys. Even though I've been like vlogging a little bit, I miss you guys. And I hope that you are having a good new year so far. It's crazy because it doesn't even feel like it's a new year for me. We've just been, here enjoying everything, eating the things that I've missed so much. We came for only like 2.5 weeks, so we haven't even like been able to plan like any like big trip or anything. But really, like, my focus for this trip was just kind of to be here and spend time with family and show Caesar around, since it's his first time in Peru. That's why next time we come, which we do plan to come once a year now, we do plan to travel more and show him and go to Machu Picchu and stuff like that. But for this time around, just kind of wanted to focus on being here. And it's also my first time staying in this house. If you don't know, I actually was born in Peru. I moved to the US when I was 8 years old, and I have a little video about that and like moving and everything. So if you're interested, I will link it. Much later, and we're gonna go to my cousin's house, but before we're trying out this pizza and see how good it is. Good morning. It is Friday. Last night we stayed up really late again. We have this bad trend here where we're staying up really late, trying to make the most of our time here. So we went to sleep, I think at like 1 a.m. here, but it was like 10 over there. But I think we're just like getting used to the time here. We were supposed to meet up my grandma this morning from my dad's side for breakfast, but now it's like 10 a.m. But we're still gonna go. And then lunch at my other grandparents. And I think we're gonna go to Lurin, which I went yesterday, but it's hard to vlog there because there's just a lot going on. We bought a lot of things to take to Peru, to the US. We were carrying all this stuff yesterday and everything to take back. So a lot of things like these are chifles, which are like banana chips, a lot of cookies and coffee and stuff like that. A bunch of stuff. We were carrying all this. Then we got to rest a little bit and picked up the luggages too. We still have today, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so like 4 days because we fly out early we leave early on Wednesday. So picked up the suitcases, these two, one for Kevin, one for Caesar, and then the third one is the one that I'm taking, which is in my room already. A lot of packing to do to go back. We haven't started, we have no time right now, but we'll do it probably within the next few days. Oh, yesterday after we went to Lurin, we came back here and we like rested for like 45 minutes. And then we went to my cousin's for her birthday, just a little small thing at her house. But today is her actual birthday party with a piano and everything. So I'm really excited because I think I was here for her birthday one time before, 2 years ago. But other than that, I haven't been here for my birthday. She's like my closest cousin from my dad's side. But the party doesn't start until 9 a.m. They start really late here. This is my little mini outfit. They put this random mirror in my parents' room. I have my top, it's black, but oh well. And then these jeans I actually got here in Peru. They're a little big right now. I've been eating so much here though. These are my New Balance shoes that I have. Keep you guys updated as much as I can. I forgot my camera yesterday, so I'm sorry. I'm ready. We have been putting food for the dogs and water. We're sharing a little tamal. It's basically lunchtime, but
¿Usted, señor, qué está haciendo?
Estoy poniendo lettuce
Lettuce.
y the plate.
Good job. El chef, la chef, la cocinera, la que no deja que hagamos todo.
Todo lo hace ella.
Atas, gracias. Y el ayudante.
Un gringo, el ayudante.
Un gringo.
Esto,
Oh, yo voy.
We're at the panaderia waiting for the cake to come out for tomorrow. I am back home. It is much later. I'm so tired. But it is 4:45 right now. So Caesar is cleaning the pool. It is looking good. I don't know if I've showed you guys, but it also has a little waterfall too, which looks nice. He's down there closing some things. Got this little ice cream here. Just got a few chips for tomorrow as well. They didn't have any big bags, so I didn't want to go to Lurin because Lurin is where they have like a lot of things. I'm like so tired. I was washing my clothes at my grandma's, so I didn't want to go over there to Lurin for the cake, although I really wanted lucuma and chocolate cake, which is my favorite cake. That is the update. We still have time. My cousin's birthday party is at 9, but I told her that I would start helping her in a couple hours. I will keep you guys posted because honestly, like, it's so busy. That much family that my dad has. My mom has a lot of family too, but like more directly, like, I don't know how to explain it, like direct, like aunts and uncles I have more of on my dad's side, and my mom's side it's more like second generation or something. But regardless, I'm really grateful because I love being here. And even though it's like crazy one place to another and all this stuff and always busy, sweating because it's so hot, walking far in the heat, I don't mind it because I just love being here. That we left from when we played, but I think we're gonna put it away. We were like, we'll come back to it. We were up playing Monopoly with my cousin. I'll need to take out the New Year's sign thing here. Also tomorrow we're doing chicken, and pretty much everybody's getting their chicken and drink and stuff, and then we're gonna use this oven, which my cousin already came and tested it, and it's huge, and you can put like 5 in there at the same time to cook. It'll take about an hour. Oh shoot, it'll take about an hour. But It is much later. We are about to get ready. I think this is what I'm gonna wear. I got a quick little like haircut. Not really like haircut, but I cut my ends of my hair with my cousin earlier, so she was getting a haircut. I was like, well, might as well cut my ends here. It feels a little bit light. I'm still trying to like grow out my hair and stuff, but I'm gonna do my makeup real quick and then we're gonna head out to her birthday party. I had to change my shirt, so gonna wear this, and I'm just wearing my black little dress pants. This is pretty much All Rare Beauty and Merit Beauty, and that's pretty much it. So this is the final look, and I'll see you soon. Good morning. It is 11. It's gonna be 11, but we have started cleaning already downstairs. Me and Caesar. Family is coming today over. Some of them are gonna come a little bit earlier for the pool, and then later on is like the actual, like everybody is gonna come later on tonight for the most part. We're gonna use this oven my dad has to make some chicken, and we're gonna eat like drinks and stuff like that and just chill here for our goodbye. So let's start cleaning the house. Also need to pack. Don't know if I'll have time for that today, but yeah, let's start cleaning and getting the house ready for everybody today. Look at the party, the little pool party before the real party starts. That's my cousin and his kids. And Kevin is being nanny. The tiniest one, the 3-year-old, likes to jump from the pool. Look big. Not that one, not that one. Yeah, he goes. He's 3. He's starting the oven. Hola. Hola. Estamos con Mariana. Mía, mi perro con mis hermanos se llama Mariana. Acá nos están robando. ¿Por qué no? We are walking to my cousin's house. Today is our last day in Peru, like last full day, but we're still gonna sleep here tonight, and then tomorrow morning we head out to the airport. So we are going to Miraflores in Lima today, so I'm gonna try and get some clips and take you along. This is our way of walking over there. We're gonna make a left. This is basically like my childhood. but it used to all be dirt. My childhood home is back there. I couldn't really give you a tour because like the top where I used to live is pretty much like all rented out right now, but it's changed a lot because this used to all be dirt and now there's like road and stuff. So walking down over here, and this is the school where my parents went to school when they were little. It's basically the public school where everybody goes to school around here. We're gonna walk down all of this. It feels like high 80 degrees. It feels like 90s. I don't know how hot it is, but walking this way. And I'm wearing shorts. Tanning. I think I got a tan. Cuando mi cocina funcione, tal vez en 2 años, tal vez.
En 2 años, mira.
No, porque él está que me molesta que en 2 años.
¿Dónde están?
Kumaito.